these days, we don't want to get anybody else sick, and we're all like we all start to get worried if we have a sniffle.
Right.
Um, if somebody coughs and you think, oh my God, they have COVID. I want to understand where to set the bar. Like when is it just probably a common cold?
Right.
Or where does it get? Where should that bar be that we should say to ourselves, you know what? I might have picked something up, and this could be, and I better stay away from my older parent or stay away from
Right.
somebody I know that's immunocompromised until I make sure. And of course, these days we can go to the drugstore and buy a tester, but where do we set that bar?
It's unfortunately the bar is extremely low, just a little bit above the floor. Um, the reality is, especially what I've seen, because our office has been very busy and we've seen tons of people with symptoms, and I've been surprised by people that have come back as positive with COVID with some of the symptoms that they've had. So you can't rely on this gestalt or this premonition that whatever symptoms you have are just the common cold, because remember, coronavirus is the common cold. It's one of the causes of the common cold.
Yeah.
So it's going to cause a lot of the same symptoms. So I would say if you have an isolated cough, or you clear your throat once or you sniffled once, I don't think that's enough to really worry about it. But most of us know when we're coming down with something. We have an inclination when we start to feel like we're coming down with something. And unfortunately with coronavirus, you've got to kind of get on top of it relatively soon, because you probably already spread it even when you're starting to have symptoms. So I'd say the bar is very low. If you think you're having any respiratory symptoms that could suggest that you are having a cold or respiratory illness, you really need to quarantine yourself and get tested to find out for sure. And especially if you're unvaccinated, that increases not only the chance that you have COVID, but that you have a higher viral load. You're spreading more of it compared to people who are not vaccinated.